Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Summary writing is our topic today. In this topic, we are going to know how to summarize. Okay? Summarize means to tell in your own words what has happened in the story. You have to tell in your own words what has happened in the story. Okay? What makes a good summary? Let's talk about it. Here are 4 basic rules for writing a summary for non-fiction. Number 1, include the important ideas from the text. All the important ideas you are going to highlight, you are going to note down, and you are going to include. Put ideas in your own word. This is very, very important. You are not writing or taking the words as it is from the text. Okay? So you are putting those ideas in your own words. Leave out little details and repeated information. Whatever little details are there or repeated informations are there, you are not going to use that. Use the text structure of the text. Whatever the grammar structure is there, you are going to use the same structure in your summary. How to start a summary? Let's see. When you are writing a summary, then you have to see that first of all, title of the story is important, or the author. Then what is there in the story? What is the theme of the story? Basic theme of the story, main point, that's the first paragraph. Then remember to give facts only, no opinions are required. You are not going to put your own opinion in it. And remember to say what the sequence of the story. The sequence of the story should remain the same. You can also use this kind of pattern for writing summary, in which we can write title and characters, beginning, middle, and end, and then we can put them properly in paragraph. Okay, this is how you can jot down the ideas. Please, you need to see when you are writing a summary that it should be, or it must be, shorter than the original. It must include only the main points. It must be objective. This means whatever the main objective of the paragraph or the story or the text is, it must be there. It must include in-text reference. This means whatever was given in the text, the reference must be there, and it must be in writer's own words. Okay, let's see this example. What is the main idea in this sentence? How can you summarize it? The amphibia, which is the animal class to which our frogs and toad belong, were the first animal to crawl from the sea and inhabit the earth. Okay, so how are we going to summarize? The first animals to leave the sea and live on dry land were the amphibia. Now see the difference. Over here they were around 3 plus some 1 word, and summary is just 1.5, so more or less half of it. Okay, now what is a summary? What should it have? Please, we are going to talk about the same paragraph that we have done using this. It uses sentences which are rewritten in your own words. Okay, and it also shows an understanding of the meaning of the article using your own words. Obviously, uses keywords from the text showing understanding of the subject. Keywords means the important words you are going to use the same from the text, and uses a sentence to explain each subsection and only the important ideas. What it should not have is sentences, paragraph which are copied from the text, copied sentences from the article with no further writing to show your understanding, a dictionary entry, or maybe, and it should not be as long as the original article. Now let's see the same one again. Yes, uses the sentences but rewritten in your own words. Yes, it is ठीक है. Main keywords are used like amphibia, leaving the sea, living on dry land, earth. Okay. First animal, the word first, you are using the word first. The word sea, the word earth changed in a different way. Amphibia, okay. And you are using your own words, but you are also showing the understanding of the given text. Okay. So golden rule for summary writing is rule number 1: the more you manage to avoid the original wording, the higher marks for your own words will be. Number 2, avoid lifting lines or whole stretches of text from the passage. The whole thing you are not going to pick from the text. Use your own words as far as possible. And isolate your main errors. Read through your work to check for errors. Whatever errors you have made, mistakes, you have to check for them also. Okay? This is the end of it. Please copy the first example we have shared here. Okay? In your copy as example number 1. Okay? Allah Hafiz.